Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto E20 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off device watermark in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button so we can open the camera settings. Now let's focus on capture settings category. At the last position here we have watermark option, so let's pick it. And here at the second position we have device watermark option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it on and turn it off as we need, and when we have it turned it on we can see also short preview how it looks like. So we have shot on Moto E20. Now let me keep it turned on. Let's also check how it looks like at the real picture, so let me take a photo. To see it we have to go to right to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is my picture with watermark in the left corner at the bottom. We can get closer to it also. And of course when we don't need it, we have to move back to the camera, then to right corner settings, to watermark, and tap to the right button to turn it off. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.